Hi guys, it is our very last day of school. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. It's gone by so fast, I think. Before I get into your work, I want to tell you how much I love you and what a great class you've been. You've been so well behaved and so sweet and fun, and you guys are all so smart, and I know you're going to do really great in big kindergarten, okay? So hopefully I will see you very soon as we can get together, and I want you to have a great summer. So today you just have 3 little papers and then you're done. You have an art paper today for Mother's Day. Don't forget Mother's Day is Sunday. That's the day we celebrate our moms and our grandmothers. So in your packet is a Mother's Day card for you to make. You'll sign your name on it, and if we were in class this week, I would have had everyone stick their hand down in paint, and we would have made a paint handprint on that card and let it dry, and then you would have colored the flowers, but we're not together. If you have paint at home, you can maybe ask your dad or grandparents or whoever to help you paint your hand and put a handprint on there. But if you don't have paint, you can trace your hand. You can put your hand down on the piece of paper and take a pencil, a pen, a crayon, marker, whatever, and carefully go around your fingers just like that on the paper, and it'll make the shape of your hand, and then you could even color it. So if you don't have paint, it's not the end of the world. You can trace it and color your hand also, okay? So make those look really pretty for your mom. You have to color the flowers, stay in the lines, do a really nice, neat job, and then inside there is a spot for you to sign your name. So I want you to write your name as neat as you can. Practice it before you write it on the card even, okay? All right. Okay, on your worksheets today, you're going to only have 2, and we're going to work on our phonics worksheet with the letter W. So you have a little boy and girl washing their puppy. They've got a water hose and a scrub brush, and the puppy is being washed, so he's all wet. So your word is wet. W-E. W says wa, and E says eh. Weh is your blend. So you're going to trace that 2 times and then write a little W in the last spot, and then you're going to trace the whole word. Weh, and then a T says ta. Wet. Wet. Trace wet 2 times and write a little W. And today is pretty cool because you're going to match, but you're also going to circle. So you have a fish, a bucket, a worm, well, bird, and a tank. You're going to match the pictures that go together, but then you're going to circle the pictures that begin with the W. W says wa. Then at the bottom, you're going to trace 2 little W's and write 2 little W's and trace 1 more. Trace 2 capital W's, write 2 capital W's, and trace 1 more. So let's see how we write W. W is so similar to V that we wrote yesterday. They both slide, don't they? So you're going to start at the roof, and you're not going to go straight down. You're going to slide down to the carpet, slide up to the roof, but then you're going to slide back down to the carpet and then right back to the roof. You do that 2 times. Little W is the same, except he starts on the blue dotted line. Slide down to the carpet, slide up to the blue dotted line, slide down to the carpet, and slide up to the blue dotted line. Let's do that on our own here. You slide down to the carpet, slide up to the roof, down to the carpet, and up to the roof. And little W is the same way, only you start on the blue dotted line, down to the carpet, up to the blue dotted line, slide down to the carpet, and up to the blue dotted line. Capital and little W. W says wa, wa. Now, this next paper, you are going to be drawing a line to match each picture to the letter with which it begins. So you have a tiger, tiger, horse, horse, bear, bear, and a monkey, monkey. So you're going to draw a line from the animal to the letter that it begins with, and then you're going to color the animals. And then on the back, we're going to connect the dots, and you've got a lot of dots. You are going to connect the dots all the way to 20. And this one is so tricky. You have to go slow and you have to follow the numbers and stay on the dots. So number 1 starts here at the bottom, and you're going to go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But does 13 go to 20? Nope. You got to find 14, 15, 16, 17, and then it goes back down. 18, 19, 20. So you really have to be careful and follow the numbers and see what the picture ends up being after you've traced all those dots. And after you've traced the dots from 1 to 20, you're going to color the picture. Color the picture. All right, have a good day.